Hello.
Hello,
Hi, good evening.
good evening.
It seems like you've changed your where you sit.
Location. Uh,
Yes, location.
place, sorry, not location.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, Arushi, should we start?
Yes, we can.
So, do you know what the topic is for today?
It is, I think, lottery something.
Yeah. What would you do if you won a lottery?
What's the price?
What do you want the prize to be? It could be anything.
Oh no, I think something should be there, but I haven't checked that properly. And maybe I think I'll check, but I forgot.
10 crores.
10 crores. Oh my God, I can't even calculate now. What can I do with so much money?
Okay. So, obviously, now you know the question. Let's say you bought a lottery and you happen to win it. Um, how much money do you think you will actually get by winning the lottery?
I think there is a tax or something, right? When you won lottery,
When you win a lottery.
when you win a lottery there is a tax, I mean, and now GST and things are also involved, so I think
So
I think I would um, get 70% of money, maybe. I'm not sure.
that is absolutely correct. I have no idea how you know this, but
Okay,
it's 30% TDS on any amount over 10,000 rupees.
okay, so any amount above 10,000.
Yes, any amount over 10,000 that you win in some sort of prize money or a reward, anything over
Mhm.
10,000 is taxed up to 30, technically 31 or 34%, depending on where you're winning it. So
Okay.
70% is absolutely correct.
Wow,
I'm surprised you guessed. You guessed it or did you know
I am
this?
also surprised. Yeah. No, actually, I have an idea, but I don't have clear idea. But I know that tax and all deduct from that amount.
Okay, you know that a lot of taxes are deducted from that amount.
Yes, a lot of taxes. So you mean that whatever the amount is, and all taxes including 30% is deducted from that amount, right?
Um, there's only one. There's a TDS, and then there's like a 1.3 or 4% educational tax. That's it. Just two taxes.
Educational tax.
Yes.
Why so? Educational tax.
So I don't make the rules. I just
Okay.
know them.
No, because I don't find any link in winning a lottery or any sort of money and deducting tax, which is education tax. Okay, maybe let it be.
Yeah.
Now the question is, what would I do with the 70% of amount, right?
Yes.
10 crore, 7 crore. Okay. Mm, I will have a lot of fun
Yeah,
because
obviously, but like how?
I'm pretty sure that I'm not gonna get any lottery in my life. But okay, let's.
Have you ever bought a ticket?
No, no, because I don't believe in, like, I know that I'm not so lucky that I can win a lottery. That's why.
You can win a lottery.
Yeah, I can't win a lottery.
I can't win a lottery. Okay. Um, okay. Do you know what the chances of winning a lottery are?
I think it is like one in. Oh, okay, you tell me.
I don't
I'm
know the actual number. I'm just
not
asking
gonna
you.
guess it. Okay, but I think it's very rare.
It is very rare, yes.
Yes,
You are more likely to die. You're more likely to be killed by a cow than win a lottery.
you're more likely to kill by a cow. Okay.
Than actually win the lottery. Yes, that is a stat I had read somewhere.
Okay,
You're
okay.
more
And
likely to
I
be killed by a cow. You're more likely to be struck by lightning, and there are lots of stats that I had read. The chances, the odds of that happening, one in a million, one in a trillion.
yeah,
So
one in a million. I was about to say that it's like one in a million because
it's also more than a shark. Like it's you're more likely to be attacked by a shark than actually win a lottery.
oh my God.
So it's
Nice.
quite rare. But then again, the whole point of it is that because it's so rare, you win a lot of money. 10 crores is a lot of money.
Yeah, obviously. But I think there also you should have idea, or you should be like, you cannot go every day and buy a lottery. I think there is some tricks and
People do that,
every day.
because some people, yes, I've heard stories where, I mean, see, a lottery nowadays, I think the generation is smart enough not to buy the lottery. We
Yeah.
know not to
Obviously.
invest our money into
Hmm.
something. So, I wouldn't say rare, but something that's, yeah, almost something like that, like something that doesn't give you a return, right?
Yeah.
So, I remember I heard a story from from a friend of mine, that his dad used to buy, like he bought lottery tickets worth 100 rupees. This is like, I think, 10-20 years ago. He bought lottery tickets of 100 rupees every day for the last 20 years.
100 rupees every day.
Yes,
Oh,
for the last
okay.
20 years.
I think the amount will, if he would win the lottery now, the amount is equal to the amount
Of
which he
money he
had.
has spent.
Yeah, the amount of money is equal to the money he has spent to buy a lottery ticket. So I think there is no
Yes.
sense.
But
I but
the famous saying, if you don't buy the ticket, you're not going to win the lottery.
obviously,
Yeah,
but
basically what they say in that, what it means, that saying, is if you don't try to do something, you will never succeed at it. That's what they're trying to say. Right?
hmm,
Because you can't say I've never won a lottery. It's because you never tried to win a lottery. You
right.
never
Ah,
made the attempt.
but I think like we have some like tricks and knowledge, experience in share market. Maybe in lottery also they must be having some tricks if people are like uh, regular in buying the lottery things. We don't know because we don't search, and we didn't buy.
We
That's
haven't
why
bought.
maybe we have, yeah, we haven't bought. Maybe that's why. But I think there should be something.
I think, again, I'm not sure about this information.
Mm-hmm.
I think the numbers are chosen on random. The lottery numbers that are picked on random. So
Right.
it doesn't matter what system you have, because if something is picked at random, it's very difficult to guess it, or
We cannot plan or like.
exactly.
Hmm.
Even if me as a lottery, if I work in a lottery company and you're my best friend and you're like, hey, let's do some scam where you tell me what the numbers are, how will I tell you what the numbers are? The numbers are picked on random, right?
Yeah, obviously
Yeah,
not.
so I think that is where that's why there's no system. And what people like, let's say you had to buy lottery tickets worth 100 rupees for 20 years, what would your system be? What would you like to try doing?
Okay. I see. I really don't know, so I cannot like tell you. I really don't know about that.
So there are 2-3 ways that I can think of. One would be, you would buy the same number for 20 years, right?
Okay. Hmm.
Let's say your birth date or your phone number, it doesn't matter, whatever the number is.
Hmm.
Or you just give them 100 rupees and tell them, give me whatever number, it doesn't matter, which is quite
Hmm.
random. So,
Hmm.
what do you think has a higher chance of success?
I think random.
You think random has a higher chance of success?
Yes. Yes. That's what I think. You know.
I don't know. See, this is an answer even I don't know. I mean, I'm discussing with
Exactly.
you because I'm curious to know that, hey, how would it work?
Okay. Now I think I should have searched, or I should have like read something
No,
about.
you shouldn't. That's the best part. So, in this
No, no,
document,
no. I'm not saying for the sake of this session, but in general, I think I should
uh,
have known it. But
you should have the
okay,
general knowledge for
yes,
such a thing in
like
life.
how it works.
How it works. That's true. So, it's quite complicated. I didn't do a research. Like, I've seen a couple of videos here and there, and
Mm-hmm.
they make a lot of money. Like, people throughout India buy so many tickets and they barely win. And sometimes, even when they win, they don't claim it. So, Imagine getting 100
Okay.
rupees. You're selling 1 crore tickets, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then that's like a lot of money that you earn just by selling 100 crore,
Yeah, yeah,
like,
obviously.
right? So
I
just
think
because of that, they can give you like 10% of that money.
okay. And I think lottery and these things are everywhere, not only in India. I thought this is this is only in India, but no, this is everywhere because I think read somewhere that someone from other country won the lottery and all. So I was like, oh really? I thought these things are happening in India only.
Even
But
I've
no.
read stories about people winning lotteries in America.
Hmm. Hmm.
$27 million, $150 million, like
Oh my God.
crazy
Yeah,
amounts.
it's too much.
Yeah, but I would feel so bad if I won $150 million and I had to pay 30% tax. I
But
would
why?
feel so bad.
Yeah, but the thing is that you're getting that money for free. I mean, it is just like free amount, so it's okay if we have to pay some amount. But at least you're getting something. How? Why would you be sad?
See, if for someone who earns 10,000, 20,000 rupees a month, to give around $45 million in taxes will hurt, regardless of how much money you have.
Okay,
Imagine
maybe.
150 crores. Okay,
Yeah.
I have, let's say, 10,000 rupees in my bank account right now. Okay,
Hmm.
and I win 150 crores, and then I have to pay 45 crores in taxes. Like, can you just imagine that? How it
Doesn't
would
matter.
hurt. It just
But
hurts.
the money is not yours. So
I
I think
know,
you
but
should not like feel hurt and all. You should not feel anything. You should feel good or you should feel happy because you're getting some amount of money which is not yours. You're
okay. So
getting it.
you're an optimist. You're
Yeah.
looking at the.
And I think everyone should be, at least in the case of lottery and when you're getting something free, at least
Have you
for
heard of the
those.
saying the glass is half full?
Yes, yes, yes.
So what you're saying is the glass is 70% full because only
Yeah,
30% has been deducted in taxes.
obviously, yes. But yeah, I mean, if it is lottery, then it's fine. But if you're getting something like, I'm giving an example, like if you claim for money for whatever claim it is, and when the taxes are deducted, no, then it feels so bad
Are you
because
talking about insurance?
maybe insurance or yeah, insurance basically.
So like if you invest money somewhere, if you have saved up enough money in an SIP or something and the amount is big, there are lots of tax benefits for that. They don't charge you that much because it's your money at the end of the day. It's your principal amount. They will only tax you on the profit. And I think it's not, if it's a long-term plan, then I don't think it's a lot of money. It's probably 10%, 15%, right? On the profit, just the profit. So let's say you saved up 2 crore rupees over 50 years or like 10 years, whatever, right? And then the interest you got on that 2 crores is 1 crore. You'll
Hmm.
be charged 15% on that 1 crore.
Okay. Then it is not.
That's good. That's decent, right?
That's
Because that's
decent.
not that
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. That's
Um,
sorry.
um, Interesting conversation. See. Okay. So now, do you think if you research enough, you'll want to buy a ticket just to experiment?
I think I have a lot of things to experience, so I don't think I would experience in lottery stuff because
Not every day,
I
but
think
at least once to experience buying the ticket,
yeah,
see the
maybe if
numbers.
yeah, maybe I can try once,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
I cannot invest much time and money in that. Maybe once or twice I can try and
yeah.
check. Yeah,
So obviously, when you would do this, it is not to win money. It's just to kind of experience it for yourself. Have that experience
yeah, that's
As
what
an
I want.
Indian.
Yeah, just for the sake of experience I want to buy, but I'm pretty sure that I'm not gonna win lottery any like in
Anytime
my
soon.
in not soon, not
At all.
at all. Yeah, at all. No. I'm that like confident about myself.
Yeah, the stats will back up your claim. You may not win the lottery ever. I think no one will. But that's the thing, like someone somewhere is winning, right? And then this is where the saying comes: you don't win the lottery if you don't buy the ticket,
Oh yeah, right.
right? See, so
Obviously.
everyone, let's just say 10 crore people are like, oh, we're buying the ticket just for fun, we're not going to win it. But eventually someone will win, right?
Yeah, and that's why he's winning. Like everyone is thinking that let's try once, and that's the reason someone is winning. So it's also fine. I mean, this is like a collective money we're giving to someone, or like okay, that's fine. This is
But he
same
has to
like
be lucky
insurance.
enough.
Yeah, luckiest one, I think.
Luckiest one, true.
Yes.
You said it was like insurance.
Yeah, because I think for insurance also, I mean, we everyone enroll for that, but it is not necessary that everyone like use that.
Okay, so the way the
I'm
companies
talking
earn money
about
is the same.
yeah, I'm talking about, and same for group insurance also. I mean, we everyone contribute our money, but it is not necessary that we will be in the situation one day that we have to uh,
Claim it.
we have to claim it. Yeah, so that's how it works. Because you know we were having a conversation regarding health insurance like rules other day on a meeting or something, and one person asked like why would we invest if we are not getting any return, and then she explained him like this works like this and that, because company is not gonna take charge of everyone's expenses.
So
So yeah,
you know
that's
a little bit about how insurance works.
yeah, because you know if we have to check the plans when we renew the plans for every year, and I think I got to know these things I think last year only, because due to pandemic and all I enroll my mom and myself, and that's why I just search and read out everything. So
You
that's
searched and read everything.
I searched and read everything in the sense just for the basic knowledge, like
I
how much
understand.
I have to like spend monthly or yearly. That's
Yeah.
the
Okay. So Arushi, our session's about to end now.
okay.
Again, there was only some issues with past tense, like I just corrected you, right?
Yes, yes,
Everything
yes.
had seemed nice. You seemed quite surprised by the whole topic, and that was really exciting.